Hi everyone. I'm doing a video showing you these are some of the 8x10 vacuum sealer bags that they come with, the vacuum pouches. These are really great. You could be able to use them. They're boilable, freezable, and microwavable, which is awesome. But I also use it for my book business. So that's another alternative of what you can use it for. So the bags are very, very versatile. For the books that are more expensive, we go ahead and place them inside of here, and we sell them in very good condition. And I'm using here a vacuum sealer. I have it on setting 3 so that I can be able to seal it because it's 3 mil, so I put it on 3 for my impulse sealer. And they also sell these at the web store as well. And it just makes it really convenient. See, these are very nice. It's airtight, and we can be able to send off our books, and the customers seem to really, really like it. So now, again, not only are these bags used for food, microwavable, boilable, and the freezer, and can be used in the freezer, these are also great for FBA. Thank you so much for watching.